Okay, 2018 BMW S1000R Sport. We know this bike well. We sold it to the previous owner who's looked after it. It's got lots of extras on it already, as you can see. It's got the bar ends on, HP levers, Rizoma reservoir, F.H crash bungs, GB engine covers, Akrapovic exhaust system, rear sets, tail tidy, R&G hanger, carbon hugger, custom seat on it as well. It's got the seat card on. We have got the rear seat as well, that comes with the bike. New Road 6s on, which work very well on these. Nice chain adjusters, quick shift as standard, got rider modes, cruise control, electronic suspension, heated grips. It's done 10,500 miles, something like that. I think it's 10,461 miles. ABS brakes, got good service history. It's going to go through the workshop as normal anyway before it leaves us. Viewing screen. The tank bag will stay on. Very clean, tidy bike really. There's a couple of little marks here and there, but I can't really sort of pick out anything to be bothered about. So you've got little bits of a little bit of black off of that housing there, which could easily be touched in. We haven't really cleaned this either. This is exactly how it came into us. So a very, very clean, tidy bike really for its age and mileage. And as I say, we do know the bike very well. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. You are welcome to come and view the bike. If you do need a part exchange valuation, finance or delivery, by all means give us a call, and see you soon.